Welcome to Trouble with Tish. I am Tish and I be Trouble. And if you are a returner, welcome back. Today we have a Wear Just Wednesday with the Peeper Perfect Under Eye Concealer from Winky Lux. So if you want to find out what I think about this, stick around.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget.
Alright, I have a little tiny container of Peeper Perfect Under Eye Concealer from Winky Lux. Now, I'm having a bad day already, so I probably should just cut my losses, but we're just gonna go for it. I mean, why not? I don't have good luck with concealers, so I'm not expecting a whole bunch from this. But if it turns out nice, I am going to be so ecstatic. Alright, so let's find out what Ulta has to say about it. Let's see. It says it has 13 shade options. A full size is $19, and that is 4.33 ounces. Always look on the bright side with Winky Lux's Peeper Perfect Under Eye Concealer. Say that 5 times fast. This full coverage, ultra creamy formula blends effortlessly into all skin types and is packed with collagen, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin E. Full coverage formula works for all skin types, creates a brighter, more awake under eye effect, helps hydrate and protect delicate skin. It's paraben free. Alright, so on this side we have a Coastal Scents BR-P-SO2, whatever that is. And then on this side I'm just going to use my ring finger and see how we fare. I'm going to put a tiny little bit on the back of my hand here. And we're just gonna see how we fare with the brush side. All right, I'm gonna take some of my finger here. I think I like the brush side just a little bit better. So we're going to see if I can tap it out. Brush here. Alright, so from conversational distance, it's, I mean, not the most beautiful thing in the world, but it's not bad. I mean, honestly, it's not horrible, but it's not great. But let me zoom you in and you can see what we're looking at. Because this is, I gotta stop trying concealers, I really do. Yeah. Alright, as we can see, every wrinkle and crinkle has come out to play. I feel very haggardly. I don't think this was meant for somebody who has my concerns for my eyes. Alright, so I'm going to go apply the rest of my makeup, and I'm also testing out a foundation, and it's not looking so hot already, so I mean it could be worse. But I will be back later to let you know how it has worn, and I'm hoping, I'm probably gonna have to powder it down. Let's just be honest, I'm gonna have to powder it down. I'm gonna use this KVD Lock-It translucent powder and hope that that helps a little bit, and we will see if we can get better results. But yeah, I'll be back and let you know how it is worn. All right, we're at 12 hours with our Peeper Perfect Under Eye Concealer from Winky Lux. And I have not lost any coverage. It doesn't mean the coverage is good, but I've not lost any coverage. It is still holding strong. Even to the lines. Alright, let me zoom in. You can see what we're dealing with. Alright. As you can see, my every sin has been revealed. Hello? My every sin has been revealed, not concealed. It's separated on all the lines and accentuated every line, which you don't really need help with because they're already loud and proud. Yeah, so I'm gonna say this isn't gonna work for me for under eye concealer. However, it will probably work great to conceal redness, because on my nose it worked great. I used it on the bridge of my nose here for my glasses, and it worked great. It would probably work great to conceal something like a blemish or something like that. Not for under the eyes. So that's what I would use it for. So it's usable, just not under the eyes. At least not for me. Now, if you've got perfect under eyes and they're smooth as a baby's butt, by all means, have at it, because the coverage didn't go anywhere. It just separated along the cracks in my face. Alright, so I hope that helps somebody. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. All the good stuff is below. I hope every single one of you has an absolutely amazing day, and I will see you all next time. Bye.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget.